wanted to do a short little video showcasing the absolute power of previous day VWAP closes. I created this indicator to print previous day VWAP close levels. I had plotted these levels manually on my charts for years. I had never seen an indicator that prints these levels, so I decided to create one. And this is one of the features on the MMT Ultimate VWAP indicator. You can choose how many previous day VWAPs to load. I've got 5 days worth of previous day VWAP closes loaded on the chart. I've got some playback data loaded from this morning's price action on Thursday, just so I can show you some of the reactions at these levels. It's things that I notice every single day, day after day. I love using the previous day VWAP closes as some of my key levels that I'm looking at every day during my live trading. If you want to see some more examples of how I use this in my day-to-day live trading, check out some of the other live trade recording videos. You'll see how I implement these previous day VWAP closes in my everyday trading. But just looking at pre-market, with this previous day VWAP close right here, it's these light blue lines that are on the chart. This one, and this one. These are all previous day VWAP closes. And if you didn't have this level on your chart, you might wonder why price was bouncing off of this 760 level over and over and over and over and over. But I've got the previous day VWAP close on my chart, so I can see why that might be happening. So here we are at the New York Open. You can see price comes down right to this previous day VWAP close. We're getting an immediate rejection right off of this level. Price pops up 100 points in just a few minutes. Now we're getting a nice bounce right off of this previous day VWAP close. From 867 down to 853. Now we're getting our first close above. So I might be looking for this area as support now. You see we just came right back down, bounced up, came back down again, rejected, bounced up 20 points, 40 points, came down to this previous day VWAP close once again, rejected. Just bounced up 50 points. Now we got the 10 o'clock news about to hit. I would not be trading right at this moment. We're just blowing right through this next previous day VWAP close. So once we get a break and a close above, I'm looking for things to be a little bit more bullish. Maybe target the next key level on the chart, which on this particular chart is value area high. See here we finally made it up to the value area high, which was originally at 90. Got moved up to 03, 13 points. Getting rejection off that area. Later on in the day, we're hitting this previous day VWAP close here. We wick off of it twice. Getting a nice rejection right off of this previous day VWAP close level. We took a break out of one of these two wicking candles. There's 15 points of potential scalping there. Now we got a solid close below previous day VWAP close. As long as it stayed below, I'd be looking for shorts and to retest the next key level, which is the pivot point on this chart. Price stayed below, we came down, touched the pivot, broke below the pivot, looking for the next key level, which is this previous day VWAP close, 867, touch it to the tick, bounce up over 10 points, 20 points right away. So we came right down to this previous day VWAP close, pretty much to the tick right there. Bounced up 40 points, 67 to 07. So you can see the power of the previous day VWAP close. One of the many features on the Ultimate VWAP indicator. Here's the Ultimate VWAP indicator. There's an option to show the current session VWAP, a special time anchored VWAP, and you can set the anchor time to anything that you like. There's color coding options that shows you if price is above or below any of these VWAPs. There's a custom range VWAP. The default is set to 20, so it's taking the volume weighted average price of the last 20 bars. And here's the feature that I have activated, the previous sessions VWAP. Got it turned on, and I've got it set to look back 5 different sessions. You can choose any kind of color or style of line that you like, and those are the 4 major components of the MMT Ultimate VWAP indicator. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. There are links to all the fun toys in the description. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.